Gildan Media presents Your Coach in a Box, affordable, life-changing audio programs.
The Formula: How Algorithms Solve All Our Problems and Create More, by Luke Dormehl. Read by Daniel Weyman. An explanation of the title and other cyberbole. At their root, algorithms are little more than a series of step-by-step instructions, usually carried out by a computer. However, if their description is straightforward, their inner workings and impact on our lives are anything but. Algorithms sort, filter, and select the information that is presented to us on a daily basis. They're responsible for the search results shown to us by Google, the information about our friends that is highlighted by Facebook, and the type of products Amazon predicts we will be most likely to buy. Increasingly, they will also be responsible for what movies, music, and other entertainment look like, which people we are partnered with in predictive relationships, and even the ways in which laws are enforced and police operate. An algorithm can scan through your metadata and recommend that you will likely make a hard-working employee, just as one could accuse you of a crime or determine that you are unfit to drive a car. In the process, algorithms are profoundly changing the way that we view, to quote Douglas Adams, life, the universe, and everything. One of my favourite observations about technology is the one often attributed to the cultural theorist Paul Virilio. The invention of the ship was also the invention of the shipwreck. One could, of course, turn this around and say that the inventor of the shipwreck was also the person that invented the ship. Algorithms have had their fair share of shipwrecks, which I will discuss during the course of this book, but they also perform incredibly useful functions, allowing us to navigate through 2.5 quintillion bytes of data that are generated each day, 1,000,000 times more information than the human brain is capable of holding, and draw actionable conclusions from it. As with the old adage about how to carve an elephant statue, you chip away everything that isn't an elephant, I will start out by explaining what this book is not. It is not, for one thing, a computer science textbook about algorithms. There are far better books, and indeed far more qualified writers, to achieve this task. Neither is it a history of the algorithm as a concept. While I considered attempting such a thing, I was put off by both the sheer scale of the project and the fact that its end result, while no doubt fascinating.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?